So the Scientific Software Collaborative is the name of the area that is producing a gateway catalog. So the idea is that many people have not used their resources as effectively as they could because they um, jumped into gateway building assuming that they had to build something from scratch. Now you guys are all forward thinkers and are using the HUBzero platform, which saves you the trouble of reinventing the wheel. And the idea then behind having a gateway catalog is that it helps people identify resources that exist already that they could repurpose in some way. And it's meant to be both a way of discovering gateways and promoting your own gateway, right? So this is the URL directly to it, the catalog.sciencegateways.org, but it's also linked from our main website. And I like this next slide in particular. It's all the different ways that the catalog can serve people. So they might want to find a gateway to use in their classroom to teach their students. They might want to share their gateway with the wider community. They might want to find tools that are specific to the kinds of programming language that they're already using, and so the catalog right now currently lists gateways, but they're in the process of essentially expanding it to also include software, which is always the goal, so that you could search both for existing gateways as an example of the kinds of things that are going on, as well as the actual pieces of gateways that are out there to repurpose. So with that in mind, the idea of having, being able to find a gateway that you are interested in and then see who's building it and find out more about how it's made is another purpose of it. And finally, there's a sandbox aspect to the catalog, which will allow you to play with gateway tools, and SGCI offers hosting. So I imagine that you guys are all set with that kind of thing. But if hosting were the kind of thing that came up as something that you needed, that's also something available on a short-term basis. I should mention also, while I'm thinking of it, SGCI has a partner program, and through that partner program, the idea of it is to help people become aware of other resources that are relevant to gateways. And so, for example, Globus is a partner, and Jetstream is a partner. Omnibond, which creates a thing called Cloudy Cluster, is also a partner, as is Exceed, and essentially we become channels for sending people either to them for special service related to that specific product or service, or that they might have clients who send them to us. So you can check out our partner page for that. And this is just a quick screenshot of the gateway catalog. So you can find all these different kinds of things that you're seeing here on the right, the operational gateways, software developers who are willing to provide advice. And actually, we're in the process, this is one of the things that's not yet implemented, but we're developing an affiliates program. So say, for example, you, in the process of making your gateway, you've created some kind of component that is really great and could well be used to and repurposed for other kinds of gateways, and you're also willing to support the people who come to you wanting to know more about it. We can list you in the catalog as an affiliate, and that is a way of highlighting for the people who visit the catalog that you are available to provide additional support. Another way to think of the gateway catalog as being valuable to you is that you can, if you have an educational related gateway, you can promote it to, educators will find gateways through this, as well as it's a nice way for groups of gateways that may come out of a single institution to promote what they're up to. So that is the catalog. Next part.